My neighbors complained about the smell of Indian food. What should I do? Well, this is a common question asked by many Indians living abroad, specifically in countries like the US, Canada, or even Europe. Indian food is really famous all around the globe for its delicious taste and rich spices. But sometimes the strong aroma of Indian cooking, specifically during tadka, frying onion, or cooking dal or curry, can cause issues with neighbors, specifically in apartments or closely built houses. Recently, an NRI shared his concern online. He asked how people living in Western countries can enjoy Indian food at home without upsetting their neighbors due to the strong cooking smell. He wasn't angry or defensive, just looking for helpful advice. Let's focus on the complaints first. Some foreigners aren't used to the strong smell of Indian spices. In some cases, they say that they are allergic. Others say that they don't like the smell of curry or frying. In Florida, a woman even posted online asking how to block out the smell of Indian food coming from her neighbor's home. So, what can you do? Well, internet has all the answers. Many Indians living abroad replied to this NRI's questions with helpful tips. Not to stop cooking, but to cook smartly and respectfully. And here is what they said. First of all, use a charcoal filter in the kitchen hood. One person said that he spends about 20 euros every few months for a good quality of charcoal filter. These filters help reduce the cooking smell from going outside. Secondly, ventilation is the key. Many advise to keep windows open while cooking and even for some times after you're done. Turn on exhaust fans early and keep the air moving. Also, avoid frying on a high flame, specifically garlic and onions. If you fry them on low to medium heat, the smell is less strong, but it is still very tasty. Also, you can use air fresheners. Many NRIs use good quality room fresheners or spray after the cooking. And lastly, one user also suggested that he wears a t-shirt only for cooking and then changes it after. Indian spices can stick to clothes very easily, so this small step can actually help reduce the smell around the home. One user said something very important which is noteworthy though. If we Indians can handle the smell of pork being cooked by our Western neighbors, then they should also learn to accept the aroma of Indian food. It's all about mutual respect. And also, don't worry so much. Some people also said that after trying your best with ventilation and filters, don't stress if somebody still complains. You are in your own home, enjoying your own culture. As long as you are not doing anything harmful, there's no reason to feel guilty about. And yes, there were few jokes too. One person joked that people who complained about Indian food smells are just being racist. While we shouldn't make serious accusations lightly, it's very true that cultural differences should be respected on both the sides. So in the end, living abroad as an Indian means adjusting a little, but not giving up your roots. Indian food is part of who we are. Using simple tools like filters, fans, fresheners, and good manners, we can keep enjoying our home-cooked meals without any trouble. And also remember, the smell of Indian food is not a problem. It's a part of our identity. In many countries, people pay more money to eat at Indian restaurants. So why be ashamed? Cooking with pride, being a little smart about smell control, and standing up for your culture, that's the Indian way.